Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pop here. Welcome back to the video. And today we got early time spring hauls, meaning I got some things that came from packages from different companies on things I'm gonna be wearing in the springtime, but these are not, it's not my official spring wardrobe, so I called it the early spring haul. Cause you know, you got some shit that comes in earlier than you expect, and you like, oh shit, it's at the doorstep. But nah, that's what the situation that happened out here, so I got mad things to show y'all today. So let's begin. I don't know if y'all heard about the Warren Lotus scandal, how dude is getting sued by Nike. If not, I'll give you a quick summary right now. Alright, so Lotus released sneakers on the right, but Nike's been releasing sneakers on the left. These are some classic colorways we're looking at. Nike ain't like that. So you know what Nike did? Nike sued him. But can you blame Lotus? It's the Fugazi way that's been hot lately, you know, the replicas. But Nike was like, fuck out of here, I'm gonna make an example out of you. So Nike hit him with a lawsuit right away. And Nike even sued the new sneaker Lotus tried releasing, which kind of still resembled a Dunk. And they won. And after all that, even though being sued by Nike, dude is releasing a new sneaker, the Reaper sneaker, some shit like that. But he also sent everybody else who got declined the original sneaker that was I was supposed to get. I forgot what they were called, but some green shits, right? And instead, he sent out a free item. And from the free item, I got the hoodie. Originally, I got the shirt. I upgraded to the hoodie because, you know, it's hoodie season. And I got the 4 Horsemen hoodie. Has 4 different colored, like, skulls in the back with different arts. It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. The graphic is pretty dope. But I do got some complaints. Even though it's a free item, and I know maybe I should be grateful because it's a free item, there's some complaints. The hoodie is not the best quality. The graphic, I feel like after like 5 washes or like a minimum amount of washes gonna wash off. Like, it's not the best thing in the back that's like stitched on properly or nothing like that. The quality of the hoodie, like I said, it's, you know, it's mid. It's not ass, it's not great, but it's mid. I wouldn't pay $100 for this, you know, or anything like that. I wouldn't even pay maybe $50 for it. But the hoodie still, regardless, pretty dope. I'll still wear it, obviously. And I got what I got here. I got a size medium. It's not baggy, not oversized, kind of true to size. And yeah, the Warren Lotus free item. Thank you, Warren. Now next, yo, we got the Lordfubu. Everything is limited. Fitted. Nah, yo, this fitted right here is dope, bro. I don't even know how I hit on these because he only made 4 of these. Apparently, that's what it says right here, 3 out of 4. And I got the 3rd one. Shit, I got pretty lucky. But it's like what the brand entails. Everything we do is limited, so everything they do is limited. The man puts his craftsmanship on these fitteds right here. I got the one that says New York in the, you know, forest green colorway. And yeah, some light. But let me show y'all like the patches and the details, bro. But that's where the shit goes fire, bro. Like on the top you got New York, and then on the sides 3 or 4 New Era. The patch I love New York with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 boroughs. You got the Twin Towers on the side. And bro, this is the details, the patches. You know, he put in some work on this hat right here, and I'm even rocking that shit like these, bro. Like, this shit is an easy cop, easy rock. Can't go wrong with Lordfubu's work right here. Thank you. So next,
hey yo, what the fuck?
next we got some small, but bro, we got masks, bro. We got different type of masks. And the fucking era where everyone's wearing masks, it's a pandemic, you gotta keep yourself safe. So why not be a little more stylish, take up at the edge by getting different type of masks. Right here I got a neck gaiter from Shadow Moses. As you can see, a black mask. It does its job. I think it's pretty dope. It gives a different vibe to your fits. And right here I got 2 masks. I also had a 3rd one that was in this black parsley colorway, but from Crystal's New York. And these is fine too. These is dope too. You know, it gives a different vibe to your outfit. You know, you could color coordinate better. You know, the blue. You wearing some blue kicks with this blue mask right here. Need something yellow to pop out more? You put on the yellow. And like I said, I also had a black parsley one that I lost. I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, these masks, I feel like if you could switch it out, you can get away from the blue generic medical mask. Yes, they do the job, but So do these, you know, the generic black medical ones. Like even these would
He needs some milk.
feel like I do you any better than the blue ones that I feel like always look off with a fit. But yeah, switch up your type of mask, bro. That's some part of my spring haul mask. Yo, last but not least, I just opened this from the package right now. I had to refilm. You see the package right here. I just opened it right now. The reaction stays the same because this shirt stay fire, bro. Look at this. Woo! The LeBron James 2003 NBA draft shirt from Grace Court. Yo, they bugged out on this. All gray vintage shirt with the 2003 NBA draft. The kid from Akron. My favorite player of all time on a t-shirt, bro. This is dope right here. It has a boxy vintage feel. I went with a size small because these shirts do run oversized. Again, this was also a limited shirt too that I also was able to snag on. But Grace Court is always making new designs with new celebrities, so I'm telling y'all, yo, y'all gotta stay tuned. I put the gram down below. And yo, this LeBron James shirt is hard. As you can see, I'm gonna be putting B-rolls and be rocking it, bro. And yo, from everything, from the design does not feel cheap at all. Like I'm feeling the front LeBron feel good in my hand. Pause. But the LeBron James right here, the colors is nice, the colors pop, and the fit is perfect. I'm telling y'all, bro, this shirt was worth every penny. And you know me, I'm rocking this in the summertime like nothing, bro. Like I gotta put this on real quick. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, they bugged out, bro. This is the perfect summertime shirt. It's flowy. I feel everything, bro. Like, but yo, those was my pickers for these videos. If I could find the item down below, I'll link it in the description. This Hoyo Simba. He was crying, so now he got B in it. Now, let's go wrap it up for this Hoyo. If you enjoyed, give me that like button down below. Hit me with a comment and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace.